Hey, what's up, folks? I just wanted to make a quick drive-by this time, dusting off some of my old recording gear so that I can rock this automotive channel. And maybe you guys have run into this before. So I have this little audio recorder, I want to get some cool exhaust notes or whatever. This thing's probably about 10 years old. Still works like a charm. Zoom H4n, highly recommended for stereo recording. Anyway, I was trying to dust it off, make sure it was working before I got out on the field, and went to turn it on. It didn't turn on, so I was like, okay, let's change the batteries. Can you see the corrosion? I'm sure you guys have run into this before. So let's talk about how to remedy this and try to give her a repair. Yeah, Frankie, my cat, is talking to us. Quick and dirty, man. Here's what you need. I got some cotton balls. I got some Q-tips. And I'm going to dip into the kitchen and grab some of the wife's white wine vinegar, which is an acid. Fundamentally, look, I'm not a scientist, but I think it's pretty safe to say that we know alkaline batteries are alkaline or a base. So inside the battery is not an acid. To ensure that no more corrosion comes back and to ensure that we're safe in here and it's not going to mess with anybody's flipping batteries in and out and stuff, we need to clean all this off, neutralize the base with a little acid, and we should be good to go. I'll go ahead and link to some stuff in the description. Perhaps you're a bachelor and you don't keep white wine vinegar in the kitchen. We'll get you that taken care of. Yeah, look, the buildup isn't all that bad, but I'm just going to try to knock off some of the white corrosion. Let me put down a safe surface here before I get into that. Should I link paper towels in the description too for you guys? Yeah, see, some of it's flaking off. So we want to just kind of flake off some of this stuff. If I was a large corporation making this video, what would I say? Wear eye protection. Wear some gloves. Now we're just going to go in there and kind of try to rough her up. I'm going to knock the residue out. There was kind of just one big flake. I'm not going to hold it up for you. Just trying to get in there. Now let's dip into our white wine vinegar. I'm just going to take old boy here, glug 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 a little bit. It's pretty vinegary. I'm going to take the wet area of this and just compress that spring. I'm hearing things. I don't know if you heard that, but